Dear listeners of Voice of Saints, today the Mother Church celebrates the feast of Saint John Bosco. John Bosco was born on 16th August 1815 at Becchi in Italy. He was the youngest son of Francis Bosco and Margaret Oceana. When he was 2 years old, his father Francisco died, and his mother Margareta played a very strong role in Bosco's spiritual formation and personality. At the age of 9, he had a dream in which Jesus and Mother Mary said to him, "You will have to win these friends of yours, not with blows, but with gentleness and kindness." In order to follow his first dream, he moved to Turin and joined the seminary at the age of 15. Finally, he was ordained as priest in the year 1841. The motto of his priestly ordination was, "Give me the souls and take away the rest." He began his apostolate among poor young people with the founding of the oratory, which he placed under the patronage of Saint Francis de Sales. He led young people to meet Christ by means of his educational system and pastoral practices based on reason, religion, and loving kindness. Saint Dominic Savio stands among the most outstanding fruits of his work. The source of his tireless activity, of the effectiveness of his work, was his constant union with God and his ultimate confidence in the Mary Help of Christians, whom he considered to be the inspiration and support of his work. He sought his best collaborators among his young people. Thus, he established the Society of Francis de Sales, commonly known as Salesians. Together with Saint Mary Mazzarello, he found the congregation called the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. Together with the good and hard-working lay men and women, he created the Salesian cooperators to work with him in the education of young people. Finally, he received reward for his hard work on 31st January 1888. John Paul II proclaimed him the father and the teacher of the youth. As we celebrate the feast of Saint John Bosco, let us imitate the qualities of John Bosco and remain faithful to the Church. I wish you a happy feast to all the listeners of Voice of Saints.